guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back staring at my engine bay. Got a pretty cool install for you today. Got the new product that just rolled out from Burger Motorsports. It's their charge pipe with the blow-off valve attached on the side of it. So we're gonna see how that works out for us. Got all the clips and hoses. So to start, we're gonna take off the stock one, take off the intake box, and we'll go from there.
Ooh. Oh.
That stock turbo.
Yeah, we'll see in this view a little bit later. Well, pretty dry. Not much no grease filmies in there.
Turbo is on the way, guys. See if you can guess which one I got in the comments.
It's the good one. That's the hint.
We just posted a charge pipe removal and install, so we'll just go ahead and skip this part.
It's pretty similar. A little bit tighter space in the 240. It'll probably be somewhere in the 340s or 440, whatever you have.
Yeah, that was on a Gen 2. This is
Gen 1's a little bit of a harder space to get to, but
I'm gonna start working on getting these star bolts out.
it's not too bad.
Get the stock one out. So with the kit, Turbo Smart. And here's the hardware. Check that out. Two rings, the hose. Got the stuff to tap into the intake manifold. Got the charge pipe. Bung covers if you want to run meth. Don't have one right now, a kit to run that right now, so just cover those. You'll need a T30 to get these 3 bolts off.
Yeah, it's not much in there.
All right, so this piece is what you get looking at from this way. This part goes into the intake manifold side. You plug it this left side with one of these little caps. So it's already got some Loctite on it. And then on the top, you put the little connection on the top, stick the hose in, and then on the blow-off valve side, facing this way, put the connector on this port, and then on the other side, stick the little cap on. It's not screwed in yet, just to see how everything fits. And obviously the hose sticks right into here. Don't want to do it yet because once you put it in, it's there for good. But we're still working on getting the stock one out. And they also provide the 2 caps for the charge pipe side if you're not running meth kit. So don't forget to put those in. There's one on both sides. And then these are the sensor connections. Other than that, that's pretty much it.
Okay, now we got the charge pipe off. Remember down here, there will be a little clip. We took it off already. A little clip on the coolant hose that will hold on to the stock charge pipe. So just
You can see the ring where it was.
yeah, just be mindful if you take off both C clips on the charge pipe, and if it's not moving, that's why that little thing's still connected, but it just unclips. So let's kind of pull it off here. There we go. And so far, this is easier than the Supra to take off. There's a little more room.
Oh my gosh, so much
Way
easier.
The Supra, you can't do that, but there we go. So got these 2 sensors. We're going to transfer onto the new charge pipe / blow-off valve, and then we'll continue from there.
This is what we got so far. Got the blow-off valve on. Stuff to screw these 2 meth bung caps in. For the sensors.
Oh, and from the other charge pipe video, just look at the shape of the stock charge pipe, and then, you know, position your new charge pipe in the same way. Don't tighten down the clamps for the coupler all the way. You want to still be able to adjust that, but just make sure it at least sits pretty flush to the charge pipe itself. You don't want any boost leaks. But yeah, make sure the orientation is just like the stock one, or as close as you can, so it fits in easy. You don't have to do much adjusting.
So with the kit comes 2 gaskets, and there's 2 slots in here. Want to make sure that you put those in on the turbo side, so don't forget to do that. Got the whole assembly together. That's what it looks like with the blow valve on. All right, so it's the next day. Has a little issue last night testing the car. The charge pipe blew off completely in the middle, so make sure that's super tight. Everything's on. Mine's kind of tight, but it fits. This is what this looks like. New charge pipe. Well, looks pretty good. Fits pretty good too. But we'll get some sound clips for you.
Okay.